Here's how to play Cuphead online with a friend using the Steam Remote Play Together. First, you need to go ahead and start the Cuphead on your computer. Then open the Steam overlay by pressing the Shift and the Tab key. In your friends list, right-click on your friend's name and select Remote Play Together, and your friend must accept the invitation. In Cuphead, the host, which is you, should press a button on your controller. This allows your friend to join a Mugman, which is player 2, and this can be done in the Overworld or Options menu. For the best experience, have one player use a controller and the other use a keyboard or another controller. Try running Cuphead in windowed mode to reduce glitches, and if you have too much lag, consider using Parsec and another tool for playing local co-op games online with low delay. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.